The fortress of character, redefining human worth in the machine age. If an algorithm can perform your life work better than you, what is left of your identity? When tools outpace the hand, we have long measured our worth by the scale of our production. Our titles, our salaries, and the technical skills we have mastered. But we are entering a winter where human utility is being redefined. Technical professionals face a unique and terrifying psychological erosion in this age. The sudden realization that years of study can be rendered obsolete by a sequence of code and a vast network of cold data. When a machine mimics the artist, the engineer, and the writer, the ego begins to crumble under the weight of its own uselessness. We feel like ghosts haunting the halls of our own specialized trades. This shock reveals a hollow foundation in how we view ourselves. If your value is tied to the output is gone. We have mistaken the tool for the craftsman, the skill for soul. To survive this transition, we must return to an ancient foundation. The Stoics understood that the external world is a shifting sea, unreliable and ultimately outside the reach of our true control. Epictetus proposed a radical anchor for the human spirit, called Prohairesis. It is the faculty of choice, the seat of our moral purpose. It is the only thing that belongs to you, and you alone. Your professional skills are externals, like wealth, or health, or reputation. They can be taken. They can be automated. They can simply fade. But Prohairesis is the internal engine that decides how we respond. It is the fortress that remains standing when the city walls fall. While the algorithm calculates, it does not possess the faculty of will. It can solve the equation, but it cannot choose the virtue. That informs why the equation matters in the first place. Our worth is not found in the complexity of the task completed. It is found in the character we bring to the act itself. A Stoic does not seek to be the best, most efficient machine. Instead, they seek to be the most excellent version of a human. This shift from output to intention is the key to our salvation. When your job is automated, your character is not automated with it. The machine can replace your labor, but never your fundamental dignity. We must detach our identity from the what and focus on how. How do you treat those around you during this time of change? How do you maintain your integrity when your old world is dissolving? These are the metrics of the soul, the true measures of life. Practice viewing your technical skills as borrowed garments for a season. When the season ends, you simply return them without any deep bitterness. What remains is the person who wore them, the inner self, who is still capable of courage, justice, temperance, and deep wisdom. Turn your attention inward, to the small flame of your own agency. Cultivate a mind that is satisfied with its own virtuous internal choices. The algorithm may write the code, but you choose the meaning. Behind the life you lead while the code runs in silence. Redefine success as the maintenance of a clear and steady mind. No automation can reach the inner sanctuary of a disciplined human heart. You are the captain of your intent, not the master of results. Let the external world spin into its new and strange digital shapes. You remain centered, anchored by the knowledge of what you are. A being of reason, a being of choice, a being of character. The fortress of character is built stone by stone. Through every decision, it is not a place of hiding, but a place of strength. When you stop competing with a machine, you finally start living. Do not fear the obsolescence of your hands or your technical mind. Celebrate the permanence of your spirit and the power of your will. You're not your utility. You're the choice you make. Stand tall in the fortress, for the world cannot touch your worth.